Namaskar, dear learners. Myself, Dr. Harish Kumar, and I'm going to discuss today about difference between public relations and publicity. At the same time, I would like to discuss about the difference between public relations and propaganda. So, I'm going to start with the concept of publicity. As you might be aware that as far as public relations concerned, in public relation we used to listen that public relation is a kind of communication activities, and this particular activities is being undertaken for the purpose of getting free publicity. So firstly we have to know what is publicity actually. So publicity means dissemination of information about a company or project by personal or non-personal means, and is not directly paid by the organization. And here, the organization is not identified as the source of information. So its concept is clear. In publicity, you are not going to pay any amount. And the second point is that as far as publicity is concerned, nobody will be able to identify who has exactly provided the information, or who is the sponsoring the idea, who is sponsoring the things. So this is one of the things. So the most important thing is about the difference between public relation and publicity. The difference is that publicity is just one of the part or one of the element of the public relation. There are other tools and techniques also. Apart from publicity, what is happening in public relation, you are going to create a better understanding through proper communication. You are going to have a kind of, for that purpose you are going, what you are going to do, you are going to have a very good relationship with media person. And apart from it, you'll find that there are different approaches also. So publicity is just a part of public relation. Publicity, as I told you earlier, is just a part. It means you can say that as far as the umbrella is concerned here, umbrella is public relation. And with the help of public relation, we are able to get publicity. So you can say that all the publicity could be a part of public relation. But all the types of public relation activities are not the part of publicity. So you have to differentiate in this particular manner. So you'll find that as far as this particular approach is concerned, there are certain characteristics of publicity that uh, it means that generally publicity is being treated as a credible masses. It means sometimes through mouth whispering also, we are just passing one message to another. We are just speaking something positive about a particular person. We are speaking something positive about a particular organization. Or sometimes we usually what happens that we also give our own opinion about a particular kind of organization or a brand. So what is this? This is just a kind of masses, which is which comes in under, which comes under the category of publicity. So publicity is possible through media and through mouth whispering also. But there are different kinds of approaches related with it. Actually, what happens that whenever you are getting free publicity, it happens that when it is passes from one person to another, when it passes from one organization to another, what happens that you lose control over publication. And at the same time, what happens that sometime it happens that through mouth publicity also, what happens that one particular person is passing it to another, and another person is passing to another person, and there's a particular chain also. So you're not aware about the kind of intensity that earlier it had, and what happened later on. So it's very difficult for you to evaluate the kind of thing. So loss of it happens because loss of control over timing. After a certain time, you don't have the kind of control, and even you don't have the control on content also. But we can say that publicity is still important for us, because what happens that through publicity you you are able to gain more and more trust, and for that purpose you don't have to pay anything. So, suppose uh, university has organized a particular kind of event in which you have won something, or you have made certain effort for the society, and this particular effort is being recognized by media. So in this manner you are getting free publicity, and the credibility of content is more in nature, but you don't have the direct control over the information. So this is a simple kind of thing. Now I'm going to just differentiate between public relation and propaganda. As you might be aware that when communication started as a stream, mostly it was used for the purpose of propaganda. Even media houses were used for the purpose of propaganda. We always used to say that the particular person is doing propaganda, the particular organization is doing propaganda, the media house is doing propaganda. But do we know what the exact meaning of propaganda? Actually, what happens in propaganda, we are exaggerating the information in such a way that the people believe that this is the truth. Sometimes for that purpose you are also going to take the help of wrong means. It means you are not going to take the help of valuable means. So this is the thing that you have to think over it. So apart from it, you'll find that there are certain kind of things which are very important for us, and we have to take care about these kinds of things. Apart from it, I would like to say that there are certain things which are important for us. So we will discuss later on these kinds of things also.